Science quiz. Wild side of nature. See if you can outsmart the animal kingdom. What common animal is known as man's best friend? Dog. Which animal starts life as a tadpole? Frog. What bird is known for feeding mostly on dead animals? Vulture. What is the largest type of primate? Gorilla. Which amphibian has dry, warty skin and lays eggs on land? Toad. Which African animal eats ants and termites with a long tongue? Aardvark. Which marsupial is smaller than a kangaroo and lives in rocky areas? Wallaby. Which wild canid is known for its large ears and mottled coat? African wild dog. Did you roar through it or get caught in the wild? Comment your score and challenge a friend to survive the wild round. Follow or subscribe for new science quizzes every week.